So here I am today doing the inverter coolant, and I'm getting ready to drain it. I just went ahead and loosened it a little bit. I need a good bucket here. And then of course I'm also doing the transmission oil service. As you can see right there, is draining, and that thing looks like chocolate. It's black and it's supposed to be nice and clear. Look at that. That has never been done. Transmission service was overdue. But right now I'm about to drain the it's gonna come out like a waterfall. I'm about to drain the coolant for the inverter. There you go. And it's going into this bucket. I'm doing it in such a way that I don't create a mess. I'm always good at that. Right now we are emptying this part right there. And there you go. It's going down. So now to make it flow even better, I'm going to open this. There you go. And that entire thing should be emptying pretty soon. Capiche? I'm taking care of this baby today. Barbim barboom.